super excited to be introducing our October release for our Halloween theme. As you can see, we've got 3 really bold colors for this DIY kit. We've got Coal Black, Twilight Geranium, and Picket Fence. For you to DIY these tier tray items, and you have the option of getting the standard DIY box, which includes all of these 6 pieces here, or you can upgrade and get our deluxe DIY box, which includes a few extras. Now, I'm not going to give you the specifics because I want that to be a surprise, but you may get an idea from this video what those items might be. And your first purchase of a deluxe box also includes this concrete pot with a beautiful air plant for you as well to decorate your farmhouse riser, which is a one-time purchase for you to decorate year-round. So I hope you enjoy this DIY kit. If you're interested in more of our products and more details, click on the link below at homeworksetc.ca.